how to flip and reflect a picture in Photoshop. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to make a poster or a picture, whatever you want. So this is a poster that I have designed for some project. So let me take this picture. So first of all, you're going to select this layer. So this is the only layer, so obviously it is selected. As you have selected this layer, then you have to go and left click this layer. So this layer is isolated now. There is layer 1 and this is an isolate layer. So you can isolate this layer from all the other layers if this is the only layer. If this is not the only layer, then you have to click Control T, that is a transform button, and then you have to right click on your mouse. As you right click on your mouse, there are different options. You can rotate it, you can scale it, rotate it, skew it, distort it, and you can do a perspective view. But there is an option of flip vertically and flip horizontally. So before doing this, you are going to do something that is called a layer copy. So you are going to copy this layer by clicking on Control C and Control V. So I have just put some other thing over here. Let me Control C this layer, Control C, and then I'm going to Control V. So these are two layers right over here. So I am going to make a flip or copy of this. So I am going to go and I am going to click Control T on this. As I click Control T on this, then I am going to go on flip horizontal. So this is a flip horizontal of this. I have to now set these both pictures on a scale. Let's say I'm selecting this, putting this one over here, and I'm selecting the first one and putting this one over here. So now you can see these both are the mirror copies of each other. So this is how you can make the mirror copies both horizontally and vertically of any object. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.